mouth was on fire. That's what a mother is saying about her daughter after she drank a margarita while out at a Mexican restaurant. So what was in the margarita? Here's Allison Hall. Holly Hill was a beloved middle school teacher and a mother of 3. But a Valentine's Day date with her husband, Brandon, turned tragic in a shockingly unexpected way. She ordered a margarita at this Mexican restaurant near her home in Oklahoma. After just one sip, she ran to the bathroom and called her mom.
She immediately called me from the bathroom and told me that she needed to go to the emergency room.
What was she telling you?
She said there was something in my drink and my mouth's on fire and I'm not okay.
At first, doctors thought Holly had simply sipped a margarita that was too spicy. But when her condition got worse, she received a shocking text from the restaurant manager. Somehow, Holly's margarita had been mixed with industrial oven cleaner. The brand name is Glitter. It's a grill, oven, and deep fryer cleaner. And look at the warning label, corrosive. A scan showed Holly had catastrophic internal injuries.
The GI doctor said that her esophagus looked like hamburger meat, that the chemical had ate part of her esophagus.
Brave Holly kept a heart-wrenching video diary of her struggle to stay alive. She couldn't eat and was forced to use feeding tubes for sustenance. But after 2.5 agonizing years and more than 60 surgeries, Holly lost her battle.
She was gasping for air and flailing her arms around, and she said, "Mom, I'm dying. I need you to know that I love y'all." I really did not think that she was going to die.
How Holly's margarita came to be mixed with a toxic cleaning fluid remains a mystery. The restaurant says everyone was deeply saddened to learn of the passing of Holly Hill. The individuals involved in that incident were terminated.
I would like to see criminal charges, and I think they need to be held accountable.
A criminal probe has been launched into how Holly was served that deadly margarita.
Wow. If you've ever been a bartender or a waiter, please comment your thoughts. How do you think something like this could happen? I would assume that cleaning products are kept away from the food station areas, no? I would assume that cleaning products are locked up or in a different cabinet or on a top shelf, like away from food and drinks. I would assume. I've never worked in behind the scenes in a restaurant or a bar. I was only a bus girl a few times as a teenager. That's it. I have no knowledge of that world. So if you've ever been a waitress or a bartender or a chef, please comment. How does industrial strength oven cleaner get mixed into a margarita? How can that be an accident? If that was an accident, those lawyers need to file criminal charges. I would say against the restaurant for lack of proper training. And even the employees. You know, hate to say it, but cleaning products are labeled. Did they have the cleaning solution in an unlabeled bottle? And the person making the drink thought it was whatever they needed? Because if that's the case, that's still negligent. Cleaning bottles, squirt bottles, spray bottles, whatever, they need to be labeled. If you buy a clear bottle at a store so you can transfer your solution into it, you should still label the bottle. You need to write what's on it. This could seriously happen to anyone at any given moment when you're out eating. And it's so crazy to think that. Those poor kids and husband now have no mom or wife. And that woman lost her daughter over something as negligent as that. And if it was done on purpose, oh my God, even worse. Comment your thoughts because this is going to rack my brain on how something like that can happen.